blacker than black, Renza again. You understand me? Yeah. Yeah. One thing more I ask, see? Need to ask, you know what I mean, to have a conversation with somebody the other day and that's something that I talk about it. Why Jamaica is so influential throughout this earth? And we are going to stuck on music. See? We're going to stuck on music. Dancehall music. Reggae music. See? So huge. See? So big in this world, yeah. In this world. See? And Jamaica now benefit from it. See? Everybody else is benefiting from it. See? You make ask why, I wonder why. Me really think me know why. Me know why, in a sense. Maybe people them in the comment section tell me what I wanna think. But me know, I believe, right? Believe the reason why is because Jamaica is not them the business head and a business head people. See? You understand me? We need to start take the music more than just music. It's a business. See? It's a business. See? A lot of the artists them from back in the 80s already get wrapped up on them thing there. You understand me? From long time. See? And get wrapped up on them thing there from long time, from back in the 70s and 80s. Yo, I seen when we grew up, right? When I grew up, right, in Jamaica, there was this big artist. The man they sang them play every day. See me. I don't know if I'm still alive. Somebody let me know if Junior Biles still alive. I think the years him drop out, but yeah, me don't want to, but yo, that man there mental. I walk up and down. Yeah. See, every day I beg. And when dance I keep theme song, I feel play. How the song go again? Who seeks for vanity and no love for humanity shall fade away. And you have some other song, brother. Big tune that in a bro. You understand what I say? And them man, those guys out there suffer. And a lot of other artists suffer. Fine, right? Fine. That happened back in the days, right? We can't make this happen again, see? But it's still a happen because the business structure is right. You understand me? Too much eater food, so much of a eater food culture in a Jamaica, brother. See? I'ma always call out shit, bro. See? The youths them, the young youths them, I feel like those dudes, them because them there for the gate wasn't open for them take it. Them open the gate themselves and go in. You understand what I say? Them never ask. Them take. Cause now we have laptop, a man have him studio in him house. You see me? See? A man build him own beat. See? What the man them used to do. See? And I don't care. Them like I don't care. Fear of fear. I understand. Not because a person is ignorant to something that mean they're not entitled to what they deserve. See? What the man them do, the producer them, like Dave Kelly, and them man there, and when afraid, the artists them afraid to call him out. Call out Dave Kelly. Them man they are thief and wicked. You hear that? Yeah. I know if you would suffer, boy, yeah. And them man, I've never even seen a picture of the fucking nigga. You see me? Saying? But Them out there, them man that name whole heap of food off a artist, see? And I live good, you know, I know that, see? Royalties, see? So, I don't want to stray from the topic. We influence reggaeton, see? We influence, you can hear the influence in Afrobeats, see? You know what I mean? Even hip hop, you know what I mean? And then that's another story. Our people, our people create, start hip hop. So how come we don't own nothing? See? What's up with the publishing and the mass that nobody not own nothing? See? What them do is record up on a beat, give you a look of food. That's why I say the eat a food culture. You get what I'm saying? The eat a food culture. Yeah, man. You're $10,000, $5,000 and you record on the beat. And so what happened to the paperwork? What happened to the split sheets? See? You understand what I say? What happened to all of that? Nobody. You get what I say? That is the problem. No business structure. See? That's my problem with that. See? No business structure. If you ask a lot of the artists, they don't know nothing about business. The split sheets and all these things, publishing, masters. See? You understand me? I mean, I care. Dave Kelly and them man, I live off enough of these artists, bro. See? Because them I get royalty check for life. See? You understand me? Look on Bad Bunny them. How we can take the music to that? How we can take the music to where? Look on Bad Bunny. Most people didn't even know Bad Bunny until the halftime, the NFL halftime, show. You understand me? See? Heard him song, but you might hear him song, but you didn't know who he is. But business, right? He's one of the biggest artists in the world. I think it got like Taylor Swift, him, and Drake. See? You understand me? Even Drake them influenced by dancehall, bro. You understand me? See? And I'm not gonna lie, I say Cartel are one of the smart one them from morning. You get what I say? Man them create him LLC long time and have him record label and assign artists and all these things. It is a business, brother. See? Why Jamaica not own dancehall, bro? Who own dancehall? See? You understand me? Jamaica should be one of the richest places on earth. One of them. See? Bro, you go to California, to have a whole culture of people where at reggae them listen to, brother. May I tell you, Utah, Seattle, California, Colorado, reggae place them there. See? We never go over in Europe, but you see it and you hear about it. People come back and tell you. See? Yeah. People who don't know English. See? I meet a girl one time and she tell me that she tell me some artists. Some of my artists them were at the reggae them too, but I don't even know them. You know what I mean? And then she know enough of the big artists them we know. You know what I mean? But them man they big over there. You know what I mean? In a fair country, she's from one of them country there. Tonyong, I forgot what it's called. See, it's like kind of like those people from Hawaii. She said that's all they listen to is reggae. See? So where all that money there? If these people are listening to reggae, see, where are the royalty checks, bro? For the reggae artists them. See? You understand me? Enough other country that's all them listen to, bro, is reggae. You go to Guyana, reggae, dancehall. So with the royalty check them there, brother. See? But we have to continue this conversation. Yeah. Blacker than black. Renzo. And I'm out.